Report filters in QuickBooks Online restrict which data appears in a report based on the filtering criteria you choose. To apply report filters to a report in QuickBooks Online, click the Customize button in the Report Customization Settings section at the top of the report to open the Customize pane and expand its Filters section. Note that you can click the Filters sections heading in this pane to expand and collapse its settings if needed. Filters appear as sets of 2 to 3 drop-downs per filter by default. Use the first drop-down to select the field by which to filter. Use the second drop-down to select a comparison operator. Your choice of field and comparison operator then determines the number and type of final fields in this set. For most field and operator drop-down selections, then use the third drop-down to select a value or values defined in the initially selected field using the selected comparison operator. However, if you select a date field and date range comparison operator, then you may need to select 2 dates from 2 calendar drop-downs instead. Alternatively, if you select a single date, like today, you may not need to select anything. Alternatively, some field and comparison operator choices may require you to type a value into a third field to use as the filtering value. If needed, to add another filter, click the Add Another Filter link below the first filter's fields and then repeat the process. To delete a filter, click the small X button to the right of the field drop-down for the filter. Alternatively, to delete all the report's filters, click the Clear All link in the upper right corner of the Filter section in the Customize pane. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.